What if your phone could do things by itself? Turn on Wi-Fi when you get home, reply to texts while you're driving, or silence notifications at bedtime automatically. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful apps that can automate your daily phone tasks like magic. First up, Tasker, the king of Android automation. With Tasker, you can create if this then that rules for almost anything. For example, if time is 10 p.m., turn on Do Not Disturb. If you connect to your car's Bluetooth, launch Spotify. If battery less than 20%, send you a low battery alert. It's insanely powerful and customizable. Though it has a bit of a learning curve, once you get used to it, Tasker can literally make your phone feel alive. Next is IFTTT, short for If This Then That. This app connects hundreds of services, like Gmail, Instagram, Google Drive, and even your smart home devices. You can automate tasks like save every new photo you post on Instagram directly to Google Drive. Get a notification when rain is forecast tomorrow. Automatically mute your phone during work hours. It's cloud-based, super simple, and perfect for beginners who want automation without coding. If Tasker feels too advanced, MacroDroid is your friendly alternative. It uses the same logic, triggers, actions, and constraints, but with a much cleaner interface. For example, you can set when phone is face down, enable silent mode. When you plug in earphones, open YouTube Music. It even includes ready-made macros you can import and customize in seconds. If you're on iPhone, don't worry, Shortcuts by Apple is built in and just as powerful. You can automate things like sending morning messages, creating PDFs from Safari, or running multiple apps with one tap or Siri command. Automation isn't just cool, it saves time, battery, and focus. Your phone becomes a smart assistant that learns your habits and removes distractions. Spend a few minutes setting it up today, and you'll save hours every week. So there you have it, Tasker, IFTTT, and MacroDroid, 3 apps that can turn your phone into a personal robot. Try them out, experiment, and see how much smoother your daily routine becomes. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.